Location of today, down at Stourton again. Dan's had a spade, not bad. It's just one of those days. It's supposed to be sunny, turns out. Been pretty crappy to be honest, raining all day. Dan's got to watch the metal sides, he's been stuck to it once already. We've rescued him thanks to the spade. That's how it goes.
Got a nail.
A nail. It's a start. But yeah, being a bit low on fines. Some oil slip coming down from somewhere further up and all for some reason. Oh, what's that? I can see it from here.
You know.
Language. Sorry viewers. I got one about 100 yards up last week and it looks like Dan's now got a... Is it been used?
No.
No?
And a fishing lure.
And the fishing lure? Bonus? Is that your first bit of ammo and all?
Yeah. Very, very fast.
Chuffed. And last week me and Dave and Ian got some from the other side of the bridge further up.